All right. What are trial closes? And how can I use them to make more sales and make more money? Hi, I'm John Perry, and today on the Sales Expert Automobile, I want to talk to you about why you should always be asking trial close questions during your meetings if you want to be successful in the sales arena. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are trial close questions and why should I be asking them? Well, first of all, if you use them properly, they will clear your path to winning more sales. Let me explain. The trial close is a sales skill that must be included in your sales toolbox and be used regularly throughout each of your meetings. It is your roadmap letting you know if you and your prospect are on course to arrive at the sale together. To help you better understand their importance, picture this. It's late at night, it's pitch black outside, and you're driving towards your sale. The trial close questions that you ask are the headlights on your sales expert automobile. To get to your destination, the sale, you need your headlights lighting up the road or the sales process. Now, if you don't ask trial close questions properly, how will you know if your prospect has any questions or concerns? If they need more clarification, or if they're even on the same road that you're presenting on? If you do not know what your prospect is thinking, feeling, or wanting, well, it'll be then just another struggle trying to win this sale. A trial close question asks for the opinion of your prospect to see if you and your prospect are on the same page. It is not a closing question asking for the sale. It allows you inside your prospect's mind and helps you understand what they're experiencing, feeling, and thinking during your presentation. The trial close is a measurement tool to help you learn where you and your prospect are in the sales process. Again, it's not asking for the sale, it is a measuring tool. And if you use your trial close questions strategically throughout the meeting, you stay in the driver's seat and remain in control of the meeting's direction. So here are some trial close question examples. Is this what you're looking for? What are your thoughts about our feature? Will our solution fix your problem? Is there any reason why our solution is not the best option moving forward? Now, these are little commitment questions that help you win the sale, getting your prospect to say yes more often, uncovering their objections, and then closing the sale. A positive reply gives you a green light to continue on in the sales process, whereas a negative response gives you a cautionary yellow light, forcing you to stop what you're doing, address their concerns so that your headlights do not start flickering and burn out. The trial close is used to uncover any and hopefully all objections that are coursing through your prospect's mind. Your main goal when asking trial close questions is to help your prospect remove any doubt that they may have about moving forward with your solution so that the lights on your sales expert automobile keep shining bright. So start asking more trial close questions because they are a necessary part of you controlling the direction of the meeting, uncovering hidden objections, building trust, and guiding your prospect to the sale. You must continue to develop and master your trial closing skills if you want to be successful in the sales arena. For more effective sales tips and to get the help that you've been looking for to help you sell more, please subscribe below and then visit my website, the Sales Expert Academy, at www.johnperry.live. And remember, your best is just your starting point.